Are you going to work in another country, but you are worried? What if someone speaks to you at work? What if you don't understand? Today we practice real English conversations at work, slow and easy, just for you.
Welcome to Easy Work English. This channel is for people who want to speak English at work. Today's lesson has 4 conversations. All conversations happen at work. The English is slow and clear. You can listen while you walk, cook, or clean. Are you ready? Let's begin. Conversation 1. The first day at work. Sarah is new. Today is her first day. Tom is her coworker. He helps her.
Good morning. You are Sarah, right?
Yes, good morning. I am Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I am Tom. I work in this department.
Thank you, Tom. I am a little nervous today.
Don't worry. Everyone feels nervous on the first day. I will help you.
That is very kind. Thank you.
No problem. Do you know where to put your bag?
No, not yet. Can you show me?
Of course. Follow me, please.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. If you have any questions, just ask me.
I will. Thank you, Tom.
Here are some useful phrases from this conversation. Nice to meet you. Say this when you meet someone for the first time. I am a little nervous. Say this when you feel nervous. Can you show me? Say this when you need help. If you have any questions, just ask me. Say this when you want to help someone. Now, let's listen to Conversation 2. Conversation 2. Asking for help. Sarah needs help with her work. She asks Tom a question. Tom, can I ask you something?
Of course. What do you need?
I don't understand this report. Can you explain it to me?
Sure. This report is about our sales last month.
I see. So these numbers are the sales.
Yes, that's right. This number here is the total.
I understand. And what about this part?
That part shows the expenses, the money we spent.
Oh, I see. Thank you, Tom. You explained very clearly.
No problem. Always ask if you need help. That's what coworkers are for.
Thank you. I feel better now.
Good. Do you need help with anything else?
Not right now. Thank you so much.
Okay, let me know if you need me.
Here are useful phrases from Conversation 2. Can I ask you something? A polite way to start a question. Can you explain it to me? Say this when you don't understand. That's right. Say this when something is correct. Let me know if you need me. Say this when you offer to help. You are doing great. You have listened to 2 conversations already. Quick question. Do you practice English every day? If this video helps you, please like it. It helps more people find this channel. Now let's listen to Conversation 3. This one is about break time, and it's my favorite. Conversation 3. Break time. Sarah and Tom have a break. They talk and get to know each other.
Sarah, it's time for our break. Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Do you take milk and sugar?
Just milk, please. No sugar.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. This is delicious.
So where are you from, Sarah?
I am from Thailand. I moved here 2 months ago.
Oh, really? How do you like it here?
I like it very much, but the language is sometimes difficult.
Your English is very good.
Thank you. I practice every day. It helps a lot.
That's great. What do you do to practice?
I listen to English every day. At home, on the bus, everywhere.
That is a good idea. I think listening is very important.
Yes, and speaking too. Like now, talking with you.
Yes, talking with coworkers is the best practice.
I agree. Thank you for talking with me, Tom.
It's my pleasure, Sarah.
Here are the useful phrases from Conversation 3. Do you want some coffee? A friendly offer. Just milk, please, no sugar. How to order your drink. How do you like it here? Ask this when someone is new. I practice every day. It helps a lot. A great sentence for learners. It's my pleasure. A polite way to say you're welcome. One more conversation. Are you ready? Conversation 4. Talking to the manager. Sarah's manager, Ms. Kim, wants to talk to her.
Sarah, do you have a moment?
Yes, of course, Miss Kim.
How are you feeling? Is everything okay?
Yes, I am feeling good, thank you. Everyone is very kind.
Good. How was your first day?
It was a little busy, but I learned a lot.
That is great to hear. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, one question. What time does work finish today?
We finish at 5 o'clock, but if you need to leave early, just tell me.
Thank you. I will be here until 5.
Perfect. If you have any problems, my door is always open.
I appreciate that, Miss Kim. Thank you.
You are welcome. Welcome to the team, Sarah.
Thank you. I am happy to be here. Excellent work. You listened to 4 conversations today. Conversation 1, meeting a coworker. Conversation 2, asking for help. Conversation 3, small talk at break time. Conversation 4, talking to the manager. Now practice. Repeat the sentences. Use them at work. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe. Every week, we post new English listening practice. Slow, clear, and easy. See you in the next video. Goodbye.